When you think of Taiwan, you might think of these things, but the diversity, especially the environment, is a must to visit. Due to the density of mountains and the subtropical climate, Taiwan has various kinds of landscapes. You can conclude barely all of them by a trip from 150 to 2,800 meters high. Lower altitude areas has been exploited since the Japanese colonial period, and Taiwan has banned all kinds of forest trees for 30 years. Therefore, we can now visit artificial forests in Taiwan. You can see tall trees with large leaves, buttress roots here. There are fern plants everywhere in subtropical forests too. It could be on the trees, next to the trail, in the drain, or even on dead tree trunks. Parts of the plant are utilized by humans. This is a fur on a sprout. People use it as cotton to stop wounds bleeding. There are of course lots of animals here. You can hear frogs croaking at night and can easily find them with a flashlight. This is a toad instead of a frog. Toads have large bumps and frogs don't. These are ones that are noisy, although toads croak too. You can see snakes, but do be aware of them. There are 6 kinds of poisonous snakes in Taiwan, and 2 of them are witnessed. There are insects, but not the annoying ones. It is a treat to watch fireflies twinkle at a mid-spring night. Shito is the most iconic and popular forest recreation area in Taiwan. It is in the mid-altitude region. You see more coniferous forests, and there are actually experiments about the density of plantation here. Trees are more skinny if there are more competitors in the same area. All kinds of variables, different temperature, humidity, density, even humans could affect the biota here. Squirrels also contribute to the diversity. What they do is they eat the bark. The white leaves are the dead ones caused by them. Therefore, please don't feed them since there will be more with human interference. As the bus drives all the way up, there are more pine trees, but that doesn't mean that there is a decrease of the diversity just because of the temperature. There are azaleas along the path and beetles that only exist around Jade Mountain. If you wake up early in the morning with fewer visitors, you can see a muntjac as well. And it comes to the end of the journey, but the beginning of the adventure towards Mother Taiwan. As a starter of bird watching, I captured plenty of them and would like to pay more attention to the birds, as well as other creatures and environmental issues. The way to protect biodiversity isn't by admiring it, but by enjoying the forest as well as the warmth of wood and the beauty of Taiwan.